Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
When life knocks you down, begin by stabilizing your immediate needs and safety. Breathe slowly for 1 minute to calm your nervous system and focus clearly. Check your surroundings and remove immediate danger before you act. Call one trusted person and ask for specific help within 24 hours. Describe what you need in one sentence, like a ride or a place to stay. List 3 urgent needs: safety, food, and a short-term plan to reduce risk. Next, create a short plan that focuses on practical actions you can complete. Set 3 actions for the next 72 hours with clear, small steps that you can finish. Prioritize tasks by safety, basic needs, and emotional support in that order. Allocate /bin/sh to 0 for immediate expenses and track every dollar you spend. Schedule 2 daily recovery habits for 30 minutes each day to rebuild strength and routine. Finally, focus on rebuilding with a 90-day bridge plan and realistic goals. Create a 90-day bridge plan with weekly goals and measurable checkpoints to track progress. Find one professional or group to support you with structured guidance and accountability. Invest small resources in learning or therapy to strengthen coping skills over time. Celebrate any forward step by noting it and sharing with a supporter to reinforce progress. Review and adjust your plan weekly to stay aligned with your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.